Hey there, welcome to our grammar lesson. Today we're going to talk about a series of grammar lessons. At the outset, we'll be discussing how the expression enough changes its position. Enough. Enough changes its position in a sentence depending on whether it is modifying a noun, an adjective, or an adverb. While modifying an adjective or an adverb, enough follows. Take for example, she speaks Spanish well enough to be an interpreter. She speaks Spanish well enough to be an interpreter. Here well is adverb. Again, it's not cold enough to wear a jacket. It's not cold enough to wear a jacket. Here cold is adjective. Again, while modifying a noun, enough precedes the noun. Enough plus noun. That is, enough precedes the noun. Take for example, do you have enough sugar for the tea? Do you have enough sugar for the tea? Here, sugar is the noun. Again, he doesn't have enough money. He doesn't have enough money. Here money is the noun. It's to be noted that the noun that is modified by enough may sometimes be deleted with no change in meaning. Take for example, I forgot my money. Do you have enough? I forgot my money. Do you have enough? Here we clearly understand the speaker is talking about enough money.
Cause characters because or because of. Because must always be followed by a complete sentence. That means there must be a verb. Because of is followed only by a noun or noun phrase. That means there must not be a conjugated verb. Because plus subject plus verb. Because plus subject plus verb. And because of plus noun or noun phrase. instances, we decided to leave early. The party was boring. We decided to leave early. The party was boring. We decided to leave early because the party was boring. Tahsin cannot go to the football game his grades. Tahsin cannot go to the football game his grades because of Tahsin cannot go to the football game because of his grades. The point to be noted that because of often is interchangeable with the expression due to.